So, I just got out of the shower, so my hair's a little bit wet. But anyways, I just got this Renegade brass shifter bushing because my OEM shifter is so, oh, that looks inappropriate. My shifter's sloppy, and I don't really want to upgrade to a short shifter because I really like the throw of the OEM, especially because I'm daily driving this car. And when I went on YouTube trying to figure out what the hell to do, I noticed that nobody else really posted a video. I saw a lot of videos about like how to re-grease your shifter and take it apart, but I'm just like, well, what about the Renegade one? So I'm gonna make a video for that. I do realize I still owe you guys the walk around video. To be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna post it. It's kind of just like this disaster. I mean, I don't really think you guys care to watch me change my oil. Who doesn't know how to change oil? So I think I'm probably just gonna delete it. I'll do another walk around video before I chop up the car for the wide body so you guys can see all the body work that I have to do beforehand. But I should get it to do. So it's a little bit easier to do this when you're in your passenger seat because then you got more room to like put your shifter down, put your stuff down, have your tools there, because your steering wheel is going to be in the way. Even if you have a quick release, you're going to have that thing in the way. I don't really know what I'm doing. I did re-grease my shifter when I first got the car, but I don't know how to take off the bushing, so hopefully it just just pops on. So you guys are gonna figure it out with me, because chances are you don't even know what you're doing either, so let's figure this out. Also, this is what I was complaining about. So it's in neutral. What is that? And then when I go into gear, like third, it's still like so sloppy, so bad. So after you pry your center console out, it should just be an easy pop off. It's just some simple clips. You gotta take this guy out. And the first time I did it, I used a pair of pliers and just pried it out. I lost the pliers and I left most of my tools at work. So I'm just gonna have to use a regular clip tool and I'm just gonna at it. So once you pop it off, it has like these clips in the bottom, so that's what you're going to be trying to release. Just throw this off to the side. Anyways, and then you're going to pry up this rubber piece, and then under this rubber piece are 1, 2, 3 10 millimeters that you just wind off, and then you got to be careful because when you take off the last one, it wants to spring up at you because it's having that spring that's holding it down. And then once you have all 3 of those bolts out, it just comes right out. And the reason why mine is super greasy is because I just did it a couple months ago thinking that that would help it, but not really. And that's the spring too. So you got to clean that. I'll link the videos on what the other guys did when they were greasing it, but I also was watching another video where the sloppiness could also be here, so I should probably also get a new one of that. But that piece of shit is what what the fuck is it? Oh, what? Are you for real, dog? Bro. Did I just learn something new today? So I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna pick that shit out of there later before I put this thing back in. But I didn't know that about this car before I bought it, so that would have been nice. So new shifter bushing. And this is the grease that I like to use. Everybody recommends it because obviously this is a Honda. So I'm going to pop that on and I'm going to have you guys watch me do that. I'll pop that shit back in.
Yeah, it's gonna have that, but the way that it engages, it's good.
It feels so much better.
Yeah, it does.
I don't even know what I'm doing right now because I'm like not even paying attention. Oh, I'm trying to go in reverse, stop pushing it down. So much better. Oh my god.
Yeah, it just feels solid.
Oh my god. I had to put my hair up because it was getting in my way. But installation is backwards of removal. It's pretty easy. Like I said, I'll link the videos for the guys that actually teach you how to do this. I just wanted to show you about that bushing going on the shifter. And then regarding my bushing, so the OEM plastic bushing is just so brittle. And I guess at some point it broke and I didn't notice it the first time around when I greased up the shifter. When I first got the car, because like I said, I only got it like 2 months ago. I didn't even notice that. And so I guess it's kind of my bad, but at the same time, like, I know the guy I bought it off of, he had a short shifter on this car, and then he swapped it out into his new S2 and then put his OEM shifter back, so he probably didn't realize it was broken. So I ended up finding the pliers. They were in the wrong box. So I had to fish it out. But thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.